Gospel bakhoj kum Lukas kalong kebakat nyaw kakot kebat pun riu haduk kebalai pun nyaw. Kumba kalong hakapor unowa kanlong kumju hakis ngi jong ukun ubriu. Hakata kapor kilia bernya hakabam gade hakapoi kapaiman tar haduk kasngihi ba unowa ulejrung hapok kayingling. Bergajin selai kelawan mereka peniap ki barolin. Kan long kumba kalong hakapor jengulot kilia bernya hakabam gade hakedi get ketit. Merkliat thung merkliat tei. Hakasngi bulot mami nakasudom. Kading bedukendok kelahap kum uslap na beneng berklap niap ki baropar. Kumne kan salong hakatakasngi haba en penpau yu ukun ubriu. Hakatakasngi ubriu badon hatrum ying umdei banhiar ban shim yakimar badon hapo ying. Kumju ubriu badon halingka umdei banek pai saying. Tukan mau ya katengah juk ulot. Jar ubah persiang penek pensa ialah kajing im unduk ya ka. Jar ubah duk ialah kajing im penek pensa ya ka. Hakata kamit ngaong api endon arngut kibayat ti alang hakaweg jintia ya we in shimno Yowe pat en ino. Angut kin tek ni terlihat keulang. Ya kawe en shimno. Ya kawe pat en ino. Kisendan kelakli yau. Shano kutrai. Jisu ulajibab. Kat habadon kamediap. Hangta kiputi kinialang. Ka gospel baku jong utrai.
Just as it was in the days of Noah, so also will it be in the days of the Son of Man. People were eating, drinking, marrying, and being given in marriage up to the day Noah entered the ark. Then the flood came and destroyed them all. It was the same in the days of Lot. People were eating and drinking, buying and selling, planting and building. But the day Lot left Sodom, fire and sulfur rained down from heaven and destroyed them all. It will be just like this on the day the Son of Man is revealed. On that day, no one who is on the housetop with possessions inside should go down to get them. Likewise, no one in the field should go back for anything. Remember Lot's wife. Whoever tries to keep their life will lose it, and whoever loses their life will preserve it. I tell you, on that night, 2 people will be in one bed. One will be taken and the other left. 2 women will be grinding grain together. One will be taken and the other left. Where, Lord? They asked. He replied, Where there is a dead body, there the vultures will gather.
Kajingero ya may Chris.